Alright, good morning everybody. We're just coming into Luning, elevation 4,000 something feet. We left, where the heck did we stay? We left Tonopah about an hour and a half ago in the dark. It's just getting light now. Got lots of old mine stuff around here. We're going to be heading up another highway soon here. Check out this, see what this is all about. Looks like some old mill. Doesn't look like there's much in there anymore though. Alright, we're just heading up into the mountains here. Northern Nevada. Gonna go look for some mines today. It's pretty chilly out this morning, 24 Fahrenheit, but at least it's clear. Going on up, way up. Looks like there's some a little bit of snow left over from that snowstorm that we dodged last week. Just getting up to the top here. What do we got here? Nevada, 6296 elevation. Just waiting for the sun to come over the hills. It is Sunday, December 30th, and it's warmed up to 33 Fahrenheit now. Seems the higher up we get, the warmer it gets. I guess all the low air settles in the valley, all the cold air. Hey, we're running back into the mountains here, heading for a mine. The sun's come up on this side of the mountains. We're heading over there somewhere. We're heading across the desert for that mountain over there. I don't see anything yet. Oh, maybe I do see something. Alright, this is definitely a mine. Looks like Steep Hill Mine. Hey, we're just heading back out of that mine, the Steep Hill Mine. It was pretty cool. We'll go see if we can find another one in this vast terrain. Hey, we're just heading up this little road It leads up into the hills there. It almost looks like there's something up there at the base, but I'm not sure. We'll take a closer look. Got the remnants of old automobiles or truck or something there. Hard to tell. Snowy mountains in the distance way over there. We don't want to head to those. But yeah, it's definitely looking like there's a little structure in that little valley on the hill there, so hopefully it's a mine. Yeah, there's definitely a mine here. Looks like an ore chute or something. It's definitely an ore bin. Like the Rolling Hill mine here or something. Old car there. Let's take a little walk around. See what's going on here. Okay, we're just driving on this back road here, and lo and behold, we passed some waste rock piles, and there's a ore chute up here, or a bin or something. Alright, we spotted another structure over on that hillside. I'm gonna go check it out, see if we can get to it from here. It's warmed up to 37 degrees now. Beautiful day. Hey, that's most definitely an ore bin and a head frame. Waste rock piles. This is some wide open crazy country down here. Yeah, desert and mountains. Hey, I'm not sure. I guess this road goes in. And some big bird up there. It's impressive ore bin. Alright, back on the highway, headed north. Headed towards Fallon, I believe, tonight. Moo. Moo cow. Alright, we're continuing on to Fallon, Nevada. Little windmill there with an old brick structure of some kind, foundation. We're going to stay overnight in Fallon and maybe stay tomorrow too. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so we might just stay and let the weather system get across Colorado ahead of us, and then we won't have to worry about snow. We haven't hit snow yet, so it's been good. It's 44 Fahrenheit out. Clouded over a little bit, but still nice. A big snowy mountain over there. Fortunately, no snow over here. Earthquake faults, 6 miles. Oh, cool. There's a bunch of earthquake faults down past that mountain there. We're in the earthquake zone. I actually got water in the desert. Water on that side, sand on that side. Hey, we just noticed this from the distance on the highway, so we pulled off It's Sand Mountain Recreational Area. You can see off-road vehicles going up and down the hill here, so we're gonna go check it out. It looks pretty cool. All right, we're just east of the Fallon, Nevada area, and there's a place called Sand Mountain Recreational Area, and this is a huge pile of sand. All kinds of side-by-sides and nice. Yeah. All kinds of stone writing on the edge of off the road there. Both sides of the road, everybody signed their names. The sun has come back out and we're nearing Fallon. We're about 7 miles away. Yeah, we're just coming into Fallon here, elevation 3960. It's a pretty big town. We'll look for a place to stay. Welcome to Fallon, the oasis of Nevada. Gas is $2.91 or something like that.
I think so. There's a segment.
Junction 95. That's where we were on this morning earlier. Gallon of gas is $2.80. It's not too bad for getting close to Reno, Nevada. That's on the left. All right, so that was the Fallon fireworks show. New Year's Eve, going on to 2019. That was a pretty good show. Thank you, Fallon, Nevada. Now we just got to get out of here.